Lesson 25, Session 4, page 593. Practice adding and subtracting tens. Look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. Example, 70 shells, 40 shells are in a bucket. The rest are in the sand. How many are in the sand? So there are 70 shells. 40 of those shells are in a bucket. The rest are in the sand. I like to draw number bonds. If there are 70 shells and 40 of them are in the bucket, 70 has to be my what? My whole, right? 70. 40 of those 70 are in a bucket. The rest, we don't know how many that is, are in the sand. How many are in the sand? We can count on from the part we know, which is 40, up to the whole, right? Or we could also think about it like groups of 10, right? The whole is here, the part is here, and the part is here. So if there are 7 tens and 4 tens are in the bucket, how many are in the sand? Count on from 4 up to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can think about it like this. 4 plus blank equals 7, right? So 4 plus 3 equals 7, or you could think about it here like 40 plus what equals 70. Let's see. Here it says find 70 minus 40. 70 minus. That minus sign right there, whole minus a part equals the part. Remember, whenever I write, you write. If you have whole minus, that means 70 is your whole. Whole minus a part equals a part. And that's exactly how we have that in our number bond. The whole is 70 and 40 is the part. 70 is the same as 7 tens. Here we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. So we have 40 that are in the bucket. That's the part that we know. Counting up to the whole or the total, which is 7 tens. So here we have 40, 50, 60, 70. So 40 up to 70, right? 40 plus what equals 70? 40, count on, by tens, 50, 60, 70. 40 plus 30 equals 70. 70 minus 40 equals 30. 70 minus 40 is 30. Problem number 1. Find 60 minus 20. Ooh, there's a minus sign that tells me that this is whole minus a part equals the part. So we could draw our number bond. Whole, part. Our whole is 60. The part we know is 20. And the missing part is here. We can count on from the part we know up to the whole. We could also make a number line if we wanted to. We could count by tens. So we could start at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And count by 10. So 20 is the part we know. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. Now instead of counting by ones, we're going to count by tens because the difference between 20 and 30 is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. The difference is 40. Here it says 6 tens minus 2 tens, and we have 6 tens here. If we take 2 tens away, we have 4 tens left. 6 tens minus 2 tens equals 4 tens. 60 minus 20 equals 40. Problem number 3. Sorry, problem number 2 says 10 gray beads and 40 black beads. How many beads in all? In all. That means I'm going to be putting 2 parts together. So I have 10 and 40. Because I don't want to draw 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That just seems like a lot to draw. So that's why I am drawing my tens like a 10 stick. So I have 10 here and I have 40 here. 1 10 and 4 tens. 1 10 and 4 tens. 5 tens, right? So 10 plus 40, let's count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 plus 40 equals 50. 50 beads. So notice how there are patterns every time we are doing math. If I have 5 tens and I add a 0 to it, the value of 5 tens is 50. If I have 4 tens and I add a 0 to it, I would have 40. 4 tens has the same value as 40.